Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to restore a company file from backup in QuickBooks Desktop. If your company file becomes damaged or you need to access an older version, restoring from a backup is the safest way to recover your data. Let me show you how to do this. Now the first step is to open QuickBooks. So launch QuickBooks Desktop, but do not open a company file yet. Next is to access the restore option. Now go to files, open or restore company, and then select a restore backup and then click next. Once that's done, you're going to choose backup type. So select local backup and then click next. After that, you're going to locate the backup file. So browse to where your .qbb file is stored, whether it's your external drive, network folder, or local folder. Once you find it, select the backup file and click open. Next is to save the restored file. Now you're going to choose a location to save the restored company file, and make sure to give it a new name to avoid overwriting your existing file. Once that's done, click save and then follow prompts to complete the restoration. A pro tip is to always verify your restored file after opening to ensure that the data is accurate. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.